Hey everyone, it's Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona. I'm in our Chandler showroom, and today I want to show you about transitions. And we're not talking about Bruce Jenner to Caitlyn Jenner kind of transition. I really don't know anything about those. If you want to learn more about those type of transitions, try People Magazine. That might work. But this is flooring transition. So what we're going to talk about, this is the most common transition that we see. And we do a lot of the luxury vinyl now. It gives you the look of wood flooring, and it's softer on your feet and back than tile. One of the easiest floorings in the world to take care of. Just some amazing looks. So you got to come down to our showroom, check out all the options that you have. It's common that we go from the luxury vinyl planks to tile. In this case, this is wood flooring on our floors. But when you get these different level surfaces, a lot of times you put in a transition piece. A piece of molding like this. Now we'll put that in with some caulking cement glue that holds it in there really good. But we're not crazy about this type of transition because you get dirt underneath it and you trip over it and it kicks and falls off eventually. It's kind of a nuisance. So this is the type of transition that we do most often. And Geraldine's showing you some of the other flooring that we do here. Beautiful planks here with beveled edges. So this is our most popular one here. And again, beveled edges gives you a hand scraped look. It's just gorgeous. But up against this, now this is ceramic tile wood plank looking flooring. And then this is actually the Carndine. So this is still the luxury vinyl product. But on this you can see we've got a very smooth transition. So what we did is we did a cement wrap here from about a foot back, and we ramp it up evenly. Now our installers are fantastic at doing this, but it gives you a nice clean transition. It'll stay a lot cleaner and look a lot better overall when it's done. So come on down to the showroom, and we show this transition in both our Chandler and our Glendale showrooms. Come on down. Check it out. I think you're going to like what you see. You're going to love your selection, and the way your floor is finished, you're going to love that. Okay, Jerry Levinson, Carpets of Arizona, and we look forward to seeing you.